Hello, I'm Lawrence Anthony, and I'm going to explain here how to use the AntFileConverter software, which is used to convert Word files and PDF files into a plain text format for use in corpus analysis. So to start the program, we just double-click the program and it launches like this. So the program doesn't need to be installed into the computer system. It's just a single file portable application, and you just run it from your desktop or a USB stick. Okay, so AntFileConverter has two windows. The left window shows the input files that you're going to convert, and the right window shows the output of the conversion. So we can load in files through the File menu. We can also load in a whole set of files through the Open Directory, and then we can close files that we've loaded in with this option. There's also a help page if you're interested in learning more about the software. Okay, so to load in the files, as I said, we can go to the File, Open File, or we can just drag and drop files directly into the program. So here is a folder of PDF files, and I'll show you one of those. So this is a research paper discussing collocations, and all we need to do is select the PDF files, drag and drop them into the program, and then we can easily just start the program, and you'll see in the right hand side that the files are converted, and there's a box showing if it's created properly or not. And if we stretch that out, you can see created. And if we go back now to the folder where the original PDF files were, we'll see now that there's a new folder created called txt or text, and inside here we've got 3 converted files. And if I open the same file again, we'll see here is the converted plain text file, and you may notice that the conversion's not perfect. We have some strange spacing between some of the words, but generally it's pretty clean, and this can be used nicely in a corpus analysis toolkit. You will see some strange characters every so often, and these are various characters that were not able to be converted properly from the original PDF file. Generally this is noise that can be ignored in the corpus tool, or we could open these files and clean them before using them in a corpus analysis tool. So that's AntFileConverter. Thank you.